Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well, blessed love, guys. Well, I hope you're having a wonderful day, anywhere you are and anywhere you're watching from. So, well, as you can see the smile on my face. Oh, you smile again. Yo, I don't even remember if I smile, man, I lie. Oh, that, one eye straight, not lean.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I could just arrive, you know. Okay.
Yeah, man, in a tree, man.
Oh, in a tree, the climb the tree?
Yeah.
Okay. Be careful the breeze.
You never see me and video me and climb.
Well, I'm glad the breeze not blow you out.
Yeah, me up there and the breeze rough out there.
Of course, the breeze is very rough. Very rough.
Some cheese, me remember.
With the Aki?
Yeah.
Okay, hear that, guys.
The cheese and look on the burger and stuff.
Yeah. So you boil it as well?
No, man.
Just blend it?
Just blend it. And put other things in it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You hear that? You hear that, guys? So them use the Aki to make the cheese. That's what go on the breadfruit burger. But you know, they're not gonna tell you what's and what go on it, but that's what they use the Aki to make the cheese. So how much of you guys know the Aki can make cheese? Not many. So it's good to the creative mind of what Ivo do, you know? Yeah, no dairy product. You know, Aki, literally. Yes, guys, so as what I was saying, well, it is that time, you know, so please, each and everyone, set your reminder for this Sunday for the house opening for Cranberry and the family. You hear what I said? Set your reminder. Let me see which time will be the best time. So guys, so give me some time, you know. So yeah, also yeah, finish now. So it's the house opening time. So I want each and every one of you to give me a time in the comment section that's comfortable for each and every one. And in my next video, then I will literally work with the time that's mostly put in the comment section or the live feed section, you know. Felicia would tell me, or my mom or whoever would tell me, say, yeah, King, them said this time is the best time. So the time that you guys are comfortable with, anyway, it's Sunday morning, you know, so you have to sit in, you know, and make sure say everything is good, you eat, you know, your food done cook. I don't want to release the video while you guys cooking. I want to release it when your food done cook and you're ready to eat and everybody relax and the family is relaxed and everybody say, yes, this is the time. So please, give me the best time that's suitable for each and everyone, you know, between a time. So, because some might say Akeynote 2, some might say 3, some might say 4. So, give me the best time in between, from this time till that time, between this time and between that time. So, the best time is suitable for each and everyone. That's when we're going to do the house opening. So, stay tuned for that. You know, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Like, trust me, I am over the moon. I am super happy. You know, like I can't ever say it. You know, I'm happy that I'm a supernova star. You know, because this journey, you know, it's been a challenge and it's been a test of faith. And I realize in life, there's no journey is smooth. You know, and faith have to be tested. you know, for you to literally advance, to evolve in life, you have to go through something. Because so many times we ask for wisdom, we ask for knowledge, and we ask for understanding. But it don't comes as how we ask for it. We go through stuff in life. You know, we experience stuff. That's what teaches us the wisdom, and it teaches us the knowledge, and it teaches us to understand things in life, you know. And it teaches you, and most of all, faith, you know, faith. So once you have faith, like there's nothing in life literally can beat you once you have faith. Trust me, faith, hey. Because faith is what comes with my character, with my personality. That's one thing I grew up with, you know. Always a guy growing up, I'm very humble and I'm very patient, you know, I'm faith. So I like to ignore but learn more. You understand? So I ignore what don't make sense, what don't makes me evolve, you know. But what I did, I make it resonate and makes it make me into a better person. You know, so I don't put nothing aside. It's there, but I don't literally give it any attention for it to mess with my emotion. Because it's simple. When you follow anything negative, positive, it works with the emotion. You know, and living this life on this universe, we tend to trigger off by wherever we see something that doesn't mean anything good to us, or if it's negative, we easily trigger off by it. No matter if 10 person that give positive thoughts and the one person that give you the one negative thoughts, you trigger off. You know, so we have to learn how to control that. We focus on the majority, not the minority. Because you will see a wall, you know, it painted in white, and the whole wall is white, and then you want to see one small dot, and the small black dot that you see, it gets all the attention. But remember, the wall is so big painting white, but you forgot the beauty of the wall that's painting white. But the one small black dot where you see, that grabs all the attention and that trigger off your emotions. They forgot to say, listen, look on the big wall, it's already painted white. You don't have to worry about the small dot. You know, so that's one thing with life. We have to always just, you know, move on from that. You know, I must say, it's been a journey with this family. You know, I'm not gonna say it was an easy one, but it was a test of faith for us, for me, myself, and my team members, them. You know, so we finally reached to that. You know, I'm gonna say, next we're gonna focus on our team members, them. Respect, general, respect. So we're gonna focus next on the team members, them, because remember we have Rasta Jackson project, we have Boom project, we have Jenna project. I'm saying it because we've been saying this. We have Pineda, we have so many people, because my journey don't stop. But everything takes time and it's all patient. Right? So not because somebody say, hey, you should do that person next, you should do this person next. Eventually, with time and patience and faith, everything will work out how it's supposed to work out. And Jackson project is a big project because of his situation, all the houses and everything. It's going to take more time. That's how I see it. You know, and as I must say, we help people same way. We put members aside to help others on the outside same way. Which is, whenever I do something like that, we all come to our terms and we agree, so then we're going to do that. You know, because sometimes that's how it goes in life. You put yourself aside to help others because it's about the compassion and the love that you have inside of you. It's not about the ego. I say, yo, no, help me because me there, so before them and where sometimes we put them things aside. You know, and Jenna should always move my heart, you know, because Jenna been on the program as a female. Some people might see her and feel like, say, yo, through the way she dress, masculine and everything. And trust me, she is straight as an arrow. Straight. She's not a lady where go cross the side. No, she's straight, you know. Yeah, so Sometimes I make them know.
Yeah, okay.
So they might see her and feel like they chose to dress certain way.
Yeah.
She's that type of person. She's not. She's straight as an arrow. She's straight. Yeah, so she have grandkids and everything. Yeah, she's very straight, you know, very straight. Oh, but not you straight, not you. Yes. Not you eye straight. I'm talking about a female that dress masculine and thing, you know. Yeah, but she's straight. She's not no, you know the thing, so we're not getting there. So in Trenchtown, you know, most of the house them they make without bathroom on them, you know, and hers we still without a bathroom, and the members them CMA still without a bathroom. So the journey is there, the intention is there to help them, and my journey is not gonna stop till their project is complete. So I know that my journey is still way ahead of me. So she as a female, you know, it's not because them say ladies come first, ladies before gentlemen and all that, because we have to be considerate that she literally have to come out her house, whatever time it is, in the night or whatsoever, to go to use the bathroom from her home, you know, to go and use the bathroom wherever time she wants to use it in the night, which is, we know that's not safe. And Jenna been on the program from 2020 till now, you know, so it's fair enough. We built her a bathroom before we move on to Rasta Jackson. You know, we want to get the simpler one them first out the way, so now we can spend as much time try to develop Rasta Jackson place, because Rasta Jackson condition is a bit more than anyone else at the members them, you know, for some reason. So with that, we want to make sure so we get Jenna the bathroom, you know, Boom also need a bathroom. And the project and the help that they need is simple. It's not like Warchef, and Warchef one was a big project as well too. So it's not as bad as that for the rest of the members, but it's only Jackson one has a bit worse. So as I say, we have to have faith, and it's all about having that patience for us. You understand? So we cannot do everything one time, so it's one cocoa full basket, because we're doing more than what anybody think of they will be doing and what we are doing. We've been doing it from 2026 till now. That's what we've been doing. So there's so much thing that we have done, you know. So we want to definitely, after we finish off this project, you know, I want to take myself a break to rejuvenate and come back and ready to take on this. I would just mash it up quick and fast. So we spoke between ourselves with Baja and the team, and we agreed, said, let's get Jenna a bathroom so she can actually know, say, she don't have to come out her house with she and her grandkids them to go to the back of the yard to go and use the toilet, because sometimes, you know, the community have it ups and it downs, you know, and it's not fair on her to come out in the night. I know she dressed masculine already, so you don't want a man to mistaking her by a man and feel like, say, yo, Ray, you know, but we want to avoid any good thing like that. So I want to get her out the way, and she well deserve it, because she been there and she been so humble and she been so patient and she been waiting in line. She been on this on the team before Rasta Jackson. Jella been on the team before most of the members and that you guys came in to see. She been there before most of each and every one of them. She there from the foundation, you know, from Gingin time, you see me? So she been there from then to now. So we are focusing on building on that bathroom, you know, whenever I take the break. Resume back to work. Alright, resume back to work and everything, you know, so. Hey, you see, wait, dog and evil man beef. Hey, Turbo, no sir. Can't be sure this plan video. Yeah, so guys, so that's the plan, you know. So we got a package to go and pick up from one of our extended family that sent as well. So we're going to pick up that downtown, and then now we're going to head into Trenchtown, go drop it off and drop off a donation as well to her. You know, the journey continues. Our work cut out, we have a lot of work ahead of us, so we're going to continue to do what we're doing. So everything goes. So blessed love, guys. Dream team and team. Peace, nothing but love. So remember, please, if you're watching and you haven't liked the video, please put the thumbs up. Blessed love. Peace. So we're down here at the craft market, you know. Alright guys, so we're down by, this is like a waterfront, Bedford Street. I'm going to pick up the package, but the gentleman is not there, so we're trying to get a contact number to call him to see where he is, because we only get the address to come, but we never have any contact number letting me that we are coming. You know, to pick up this one box sent from Sandra, you know, for some stuff in it. So we're trying to get a contact number to call and see where he is, so we can literally pick the stuff them up. So waiting. So here is the craft market downtown. You don't even know the craft market downtown. So this is the craft market downtown. Hello. I'm looking for someone, or a lady that was still sitting there. I don't know which turn. Get in?
Oh, sorry. I think I got the wrong number.
Cool. Yeah, I'm going, man. I'm here on the place. I'm the boss.
Oh, you're the boss?
Yes. She can't go give you a last order.
No, I'm not selling nothing.
I am the boss.
You can't be the boss.
I am the son of the boss. I am the boss.
You can't see the boss there.
Where the boss there? See the boss there, the boss.
Lock up already for me.
Bigger boss there.
Yeah, but my lock up already.
But no, that me tell you.
No, I'm a boss. I'm just the son of the boss.
It's a Riley you look for.
Oh, all them say them in here.
Yeah, in another mafia, I'm ask them, man.
Who you look for?
Right.
Riley around the super pitch. Unless him lock up and gone. Remember my boy son? Your mother?
Yeah, Tweet.
Across street.
Tweet. Christmas on the collar.
Christmas. Now 100 US, I remember the promise last time.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
That's so you go on, you know. Want a box of fish right now. She did there here now, she just gone up back. Well, Leroy there. Leroy! Oh, Leroy in there.
Riley lock up already.
Yeah.
Why not come back and open me, please?
Oh, Leroy, you don't hear him calling you, mate? What's going on, man? Oh, what go artist? Hello, good day.
Listen, clear your ears and your brain. Make sure you lock up the door. Right?
Yeah, boss. And then long time I'm still have to go and interview the pan.
Yeah. And you gone viral.
Yeah, I'm still viral, man. Yeah, man.
I know I'm Mr. Riley, I come collect one back from
father, that time grandmother. What man?
there, man.
Everything.
Yeah, good. You know, somebody send one back, so we collect from Mr. Riley. So now one day,
already, you know.
I don't know if we could call him when I come back.
No, man, lock up and gone, man. I'm early now, I'm coming early, man. I want something urgent. You make up early, you know, make up urgent.
Well, true, we're there here, so oh, shot.
No, come back, man. You reach early, man, time, you know. Because the man left the yard, man, come early, yeah, man, the man come at 7 o'clock, you see.
Alright, so guys, we're there with the fishman them downtown, scaling the fish there.
Yeah.
So we have here Leroy.
Yeah, man, singer.
I have a singer around us as usual from Jamaica Good Life Days.
Yeah.
What the artist name again?
Ikey.
Ikey. I want to talk about two more artists.
No.
Not IT.
Ikey.
Oh.
Yeah, give them two.
Like
I want to sing it tonight, you know.
Yeah.
It's American.
Sing one fish song now.
No, but not sing nothing.
When the fish them swim around.
We're not getting nothing. Because some people just watch it now. That's our mission.
Some other song though.
Hey, but for
the last time doing this, I put me and say back again, no man. The last time inside there, you know.
Yeah, true.
Ready? Don't mess up.
Yeah. Come bring a Westmoreland couple time man, try to show the problem down there.
With the hurricane and...
Yeah, go link Winston and all of them.
Hey, no, it's going to after hurricane.
No, come already.
Yeah, after hurricane.
That one of my uncle Japan. Yeah, man, did that talk on the phone.
Thanks. Present.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna sing a song for the camera.
Sing them.
Give them a one line. Give them a one line.
Nah, give her one line.
The ladies, your fans, them is over there asking for a song.
Nah, give her nothing.
Yeah, what's one?
Put them on rum cream as a razor.
Now December, she did there.
Yeah.
That's why I want to come a Westmoreland with it there.
So the daddy man,
You good man, you good.
just not touch back a style, yeah.
Long time. I want to let's get a dream so the man surprise me. Yes, the man come and surprise me. I want to say man surprise.
Okay.
Come here, man.
Yeah, man. Very interested in that flat to see.
You see?
Alright, let's come on.
Like last time I said a thing by your thing where the whole group out over so.
Yeah man, I put in the word man.
Yeah man, me see it man.
I put in the word.
Like that man.
Artists, the ladies them are asking for a song.
I'm not giving them no song.
That's a piece of it.
Yeah, that's a point there.
Because you, the point,
Say right now my lad. Yeah, this a point.
because
God today.
a makeup artist,
Yeah.
but me don't know you as a makeup artist. Cause him and a tomatist, is that even a tomatist? Oh,
Always that singer, I don't know if I want to sing it now.
and can't camera shy.
No, come on, there's the party.
Can't camera shy.
There's the party.
Don't it?
Yeah.
A camera shy?
Yeah.
Ike, come on, Ike, man.
Get two lines on me singer.
Just one
Sing
line.
a G.
Just one line.
Get two lines.
Sing one for the fish, then. Sing one for the fish. Because when you scale fish, you have to sing to the fish, you know. I scale better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you have to find them at this.
Yeah.
Let's say go like this.
Yeah.
Don't at this.
Yeah.
You see, ones they ready.
Alright.
Come again. So she hear you in the deep sea.
First time I saw that girl, take her around the world. She's more than diamond and pearl.
Oh,
You know my love is true, baby girl, baby. I will take you everywhere. You are secure. Give you love and you want and more. I'm telling you this, and I'm telling you this for sure. My door is open for you.
I don't want the commission. Yo, the one make all the dead fish start to swim around.
Yeah, sing a boss all around that Jordan.
I'm to you. Yo, your feet for off our feet. Shop to sit down, you know. You so you're bad.
Yeah, you get calm now.
Yeah, you get calm. I don't hear anything that come from over there anymore now. Walk on. You don't say anything anymore. Walk on. Just say you're angry. Just say you're angry.
Alright then.
The water commission when she work, it calm her down. Yeah. Right. I look forward tomorrow. Yeah.
So you say I'm going to link you back.
Yeah. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow.
Alright, so we hear them when you pass through.
Yeah. Artists with a segment for you tomorrow. Look forward, right?
Alright,
Yeah. So what kind of fish you have down here at skill today? Snapper. Snapper? Yeah. And this one is which one?
You call them mangrove snapper. Mangrove snapper. It is very
Red snapper and mangrove snapper. Which one eat better?
the bottle eat good. Both of them eat good.
Because see the mangrove, we never really too tough.
Okay, see the mangrove have a kind of finer blend more than the beeliner. The beeliner carry harder plate.
Oh. So which one is higher grade fish?
Beeliner.
Beeliner. So why you call it beeliner? Why name beeliner?
Because it is tall, the other snapper them more the
Okay, A class.
Yeah.
So it's a B class.
C class.
And that one here was C class.
C class.
Okay, so A, B and C class.
Yeah, A, B and C.
So fit in it, you never know that.
You too.
He's a C class, yeah.
B class, the red top.
Yeah, we have A, B, and C class.
A snap for that too? B-line, so I see a thing with him and see. Yeah. So that's the below first class one.
Now say this is my father, the second class.
Second class.
Yeah, the D-liner.
And that one is the third class.
Yeah.
So you have different classes.
The red one, the red snapper, the first class.
First class, I have the one with the
I'm up to the yellow tail one. Which one that one?
We not have the one with
So which class that one there in? Master English class.
Yeah, tail in a higher class.
Higher class. So you have the B class, the B class snapper.
Yeah.
And that one you have the C class. Higher class. Remember the next snapper them the yellow tail one them are the higher class.
Higher class, yeah.
So them one you like the downgrade.
Yeah.
So you find
They're going to get your mark and the car them.
yeah, you have different parts as well for different cars. Yeah. Because them one have some have more bone in them one, them red one have more fine bone, though?
No, them one, the red one a nice one.
But the next one they eat better though. The A class they eat better.
Flat red, yeah.
I want a good thing, I want them out them and there.
That's how the mangrove they say, right?
Them one a nice.
The mangrove one better for steam.
Yeah, man, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give them one that one is steam.
Them fish are nice and them steak.
Okay. Alright then, so General, so tomorrow, you know, General.
Respect.
Yeah, right, so we see you tomorrow then, cuz.
Alright, yeah.
Artists, the ladies that know you're not no tomatoes. You know what I'm saying?
They say don't know my father different night tomorrow. You have to hear something.
Yeah, tomorrow I'll give me something tomorrow, man. Tomorrow I'll give me something. Tomorrow we're giving him a session.
Alright,
We're gonna give him a session tomorrow.
you that?
Yeah.
Just keep me posted.
Tomorrow.
A day in life in the fisherman downtown. Everything Skilla. Alright then ladies, right? Alright. We'll come back tomorrow. Yeah, you know, so them go. Alright guys, so tomorrow we should have to come back to get the package from the man. You know, so we definitely come back tomorrow. Yeah. But when we used to cook the fish there, man, I used to come buy fish all the time. The big box, buy the box of fish here. We're going to head into Trenchtown now. Yeah. You talk to him?
I'm have to get dry, you know.
I'm have to get dry. So I'm leave early.
Yeah.
But I say quick and fast.
Yeah, man, quick and fast, man.
Yeah.
And each one of them say, get the word.
One pitch. Sting up.
Life there, the life of the greatest.
Yeah, man. The girl named Bebe.
Yeah, king. I hear that. Original.
They say you had to buy what?
King. My bar.
No, say buy duku. There's a Gio over there, you know, trying to get complete his barber shop, you know. So that's his barber shop over there and thing, you know. So we're back in Trenchtown, back in the headquarters. Whoa. A penny there.
Penny there.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All is well. It's coming after slavery. Okay. So you get brave now.
not going to work today because I'm tired, you know, we are beat you up bad from left to right.
You want to beat you up bad?
Yeah, from left to right, so I have a cool motor and get back some strength. So energy.
Them beating him more than the girls them beating, huh?
Yeah, because that's why I see the road up on all the road that far away, because then things are going on, you know.
Yeah.
Left to right and make said they want to kill me, they want to beat my body. Talk to them, man. You know me like crazy.
Talk shit up, man. What you say? They want to beat him.
Yeah.
The ladies, they want to beat him and the worker beat him.
Everything I beat him, because I got me just there, I tell him, say, my make up your mind for choose one.
Yeah, and say which one you want to beat the most. You want the work beat or the ladies beat you more? Which one?
No, see, no, you can't without the girls, them, you know. I don't know how to kill them, man. Talk to them, you can't without them, you know. Why?
Alright guys, I hear that he need help, so you can help him. Can you help him decide? He said the worker beat him, the ladies them beat him bad, so that's why you can't see him. Come have to go inside, go rest up, catch back all the rest of them, you know. So Pinedo, boom. We have 2 donations here. Come on, go see Princess as well. So we have 3,005 here from Queen. Here from Queen in the USA. 3,005 from Queen from the USA for you, man.
Blessed Queen, blessed and one love and thanks. Blessed love.
Pinedo. 1 Pinedo. So you have 3,500 here for you from Queen from the USA.
Queen, much love and thanks, you know. You see me I say, yeah man, we don't really know where from here, but I appreciate this way you send come give me. You see me I say, much love to you too. Yeah man, big up yourself.
Yeah, 1 Queen. So you know a long time I serve the Princess with a donation for Princess as well. And Damari. So I just make a walk so and circle around. Alright Jackson, you know we're gonna do work up with the girls them, you know. If you let them out. Yeah. Tired. Jaja. Ladies, can you? Yeah. Ladies, can you please take your time with Jackson? Can you please take your time with Jackson? Him say him need to rest him back because he don't go up in a age. So if you not gonna murder the man, come you know, make a walk. Ladies, please take your time with Jackson, yeah? Yeah man, give him a break. Because when I wanna see him, everybody worried. And I realized that when I mash up and I done the man back, plus the mafia work is 9 to 5. Say if you not mash him up both ways, what do you expect I got? Gia, I make a walk. I make a walk and circle because we like how I go on. This one look like a mansion, well, girl shan. A 1 bedroom, the bathroom, upstairs the living room. You see me? I like it. Aye. You know you think man is the only real team. Energy. I make a walk and circle. Yeah. Quick and fast. Yeah. Quick and fast. So guys, so in a while we haven't seen Princess, so got a donation to them for her daughter, Faith. You know, and remember the son. Oh, chilo, I make a walk. I will check Princess. And then go over Rima side. Yeah, spot. Yeah. Princess! Is that Tom? Oh, that Prince. Yeah. Hello, Faith. Hello, Faith. That's Prince. Remember that voice here?
Yeah.
How?
Oh, yeah, them man.
How?
Eugenos.
Yeah.
I gone here, it's like gone. Yeah, one of them.
One?
Yeah. Okay. You go man.
How about that pan him eye?
Rock.
Cataract.
Yeah.
Okay.
See there? I said,
See that?
no, the pan that one there too.
No. None of the pandi.
Cataract pan that man, look there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I first me see it and I said, look.
So, first me see it too.
I talk on over it.
You see it?
Yeah, man, me see it, man. White something.
White.
White. Not even white, like clear.
Yeah, white, man.
Clear, see there?
Clear.
Yeah, people.
Clear.
Really, I'm eyeball that or
You find them
They
eyeball.
have eyeball.
Eyeball, yeah.
You see it?
Yeah. Princess one.
Oh, go on.
Over
Over there.
if that was little hair grew up on it.
Long time I don't see him.
Cataract. Cataract, right?
Long time I don't see him, brother.
Eh?
Glaucoma.
Glaucoma?
Yeah, that.
So this is which one? Or what that pan it?
I remember that come over it in cataract.
Cataract.
Glaucoma.
I first me see it in the car, me always.
It get worse, you know.
Yeah, it get worse. Ja, Prince, you still don't know what it is?
Yeah.
Oh,
I see what I eye.
you see it in the one there?
Oh, can you?
I'm a glimpse.
Wow.
So that means if it's clear, we can't see?
No, see, but you want to see blurry. No, see clear.
Me they carry me no, but they say it much up from the head back. Say head back and most important part.
What them say though?
Mash up. And them they drop, they mash up from them head back. Because me can't go use it.
Oh.
But if you want glimpse, that means
That's what I'm saying, just like you must see blurry. You know what I'm saying? You mash up, you know, so you know I'm gonna see a look blurrish like my son.
Oh.
like your son.
Hey, look thick though. You see?
Like your son have.
That's the same thing I say I go over my son.
Your son have cataract program eye there?
Glaucoma?
No, cataract.
Cataract.
When time it was scrape, the corona did come out.
Everything shut down also.
Yeah, so you know, so it kind of get bad. I know I want him definitely as you.
So the thing are going with the youth, them man.
You still have to give them the time.
Yeah.
It could have worse, though.
Yeah.
It could have worse, them could have lose them life.
Yeah, man, for true.
I never know so I saw cataract growing until I see it now. Because many people always say,
But me never know when I say
because even the blind brother of a Spanish town, a glaucoma,
Where them have cataract from eye, you know?
but them say a glaucoma.
Yeah,
Them
but
a
them not have the cataract. They just see
No.
one over them eye.
We can be able to see something on Patrick eye,
Patrick.
but it don't look like this one.
But if you don't hurry up and scrape it, it'll go
No,
take
them-
all over.
Yeah, because with females, we can see like a little ball up on top of the eye.
clear bar.
And it
Yeah.
in the glass.
It look glassy, like you put on one. They call it lens. You can put
Yeah,
lens over
contact
the eye.
lens, contact lens, contact lens.
Put a lens.
Like him a-
Kina, where you go with it? Good?
There, man, it's been a while. I will pass around here. Hello, Faith. Come here, Faith. Stop eyes.
Your eye there. Where that?
Eh?
Yeah, you know,
But there.
half a woman.
You have a woman?
Yeah, tante.
It's start now.
You know? The neck bed. No, the neck bed.
The next bed?
The neck bed, baby, you did me.
Yeah, bed on my gear.
It mash up.
Mash up already?
Name. Wait, name tell me say, my uncle tell me weak.
Rick.
Hey,
Stop
stop that!
Oh, somebody
Move on it,
let them sleep on it
Yeah, deep on it.
and work it out.
Yeah, and mash it up. I mean, with a neck bed. No.
And them sleep on it again.
No, I have a neck bed. I have a neck bed. Papi, buy, pin come. A new bed. You say, when baby Dante come, tell Dan. Dante come up there, come link me, you know. And to say, they come link me. I'm out to own it right at there, you know.
Yeah.
I'm out. No, make baby, tell baby say, tin.
She not for come around here?
The net bed,
Yeah.
mash up. Fear bed, the dimmy, to buy.
Yeah.
Pin, the mash up.
Mash
You know, for company net bed. And the bed. And papi.
Oh, it's not fair money by it.
No. And bed, papi, pin come.
Okay.
The mic, my beer back, you know. The way, dimmy, you know. Why say it? What?
What at the radio?
Yeah.
The one I'm gonna bring come?
Yeah.
What happened to it?
No, I say you say it water wait in it.
What, battery?
No, we are TT for make it pay.
Okay, player?
Yeah.
I really want to get it. Alright, man. It's alright, nothing wrong with it.
Me not want.
It's a baby enough to come on that she can't come on the bed. Yeah?
No.
Okay, so must tell her.
You know, yeah, tell her. And you know why? Baby, take me for fool.
Why she take it for fool?
They tell me.
She style
when you come up here and tell me say, when painted tell me the fool, fool out. Tell me say, they see me, you know, baby, I painted to see me, you know, by time pipe, you know, and tell ya, I fan up you ta and I fan me up.
Fan ya.
Tell ya, move and I fan me up. Tell a man them, oh now. Tell Makai. You know, me say, if my eyesight come back, man, here back, man, tell like a police too, and kill Makai.
No,
so
you never kill nobody, man, Prince.
You know, Makai have bib, Makai have Tam, Tantel, Bibi have Tam, you know.
Tams, which is Tams are your son.
Bibi have Tam, you know.
Yeah.
And I know want them Tam, you know.
I know want give us Tams.
I've net done, you know. I know want them, you know. Yeah, Bibi now. And Makai one.
Oh, so
it turn me on.
It turn you on or it turn you off?
Turn me off.
It turn you off.
So, tell Bibi, say, if I'm out to the forward, no way you talk. Pan, you talk.
If you tell Bibi no for what, no way you so.
Yeah, no.
But just here a while ago to be just past Bibi and Sam's.
Tell her, say, Tom, what? Bibi, that time there, no. You see that time there, Bibi at one. The net one. Big time, net time from Colombo to a fair better.
Okay.
So, more Bibi a whole and pan in net time.
Oh.
So, David, yo,
she for bring him come.
Me
just see my while.
Me see him
in pass for case.
No, me see time. Up at over shop, you know. I'm seminar. Me I want talk to him, you know. And say, damn. I'm your father, though. To say, him say, see me, I hold him my head and say, yeah, see me, I'll take him in. And I say, I feel more, you know. Yeah, the net one now. Yeah, Tante, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I tell Tom. Yeah, Tom. Tell what me say. I feel porn.
Don't worry, man. I thought you are.
Nah, do my dream. No, man.
Not a dream.
No, do my fish.
Then I give you something. Wait, you know when we get the money, you know how much money you get? Yeah. How you gonna know?
100, you know.
You know 100?
Yeah.
And you know 50?
Yeah.
What else you know? You not gonna know them. You not gonna know them though. You not gonna know them. So what's it have? Alright, well, I make print. I give it. Esther, you have $1,000 for you?
No. Give me now.
Give me a $1,000 show me give back.
Oh yeah.
I give you.
No, I want for me now.
Nothing I go on for you.
Me there at a teacher. No, I teacher and I'm meditate. And I look.
I give you one money, right? You know which money me I give? Me I give you one money, right? So, so the money I give people. So where it say how much? So, hey, tell me how much money me give you.
$100.
Eh?
$100.
100. You sure?
Yeah. See that?
How you know?
I feel it.
You feel it?
Yeah.
So how you know?
Me know the term, the name, them here.
Them here?
The name pan it.
The name pan it?
Yeah.
You can't see the name, man.
Me know it.
You know it? Alright. $1,000 me give, man.
Yeah.
And 100, 1,000. So you get 1,000, you get 10 of the $100 them. Yeah?
Yeah.
But in a one. Right? Alright, I'm so come. Princess! Come around here, Faith. Come, Faith. So Princess, me like how you play there. Stars among stars. Stars on the wall. You know? Stars among stars. So Princess, How's everything? How was Faith with the what she like the cancer? Is it gone?
It's not really fully in, but you don't know. As when I tell you, say she have to just leave off a meat.
Okay.
And we just give her vegetables. Sometimes I cook the food, she just eat. They're crazy, you understand?
Yeah.
I don't really get her no meat things, so I should just work on to it. I got to school at the same procedure, I talk to the teacher them and so.
No, me.
So I don't really see no way him there, nothing to be prayer. You understand?
Yeah, it's true.
So I don't really let folk God out of nothing. From once you pray and live your faith, you know, so you will get your blessing.
And you what's your name? Faith.
No, she was sickle cell.
Oh, she have sickle cell also?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, she fully blood sickle cell.
How old are you now, Faith? How old are you now?
I'm 13 years old.
13? Asa. 13? I look so little.
You got grade 8?
Because through the sickness, she shrink her.
Really?
She never mature. She still look like her kids.
Oh, you know, say? You do that?
So mix now?
Yeah. Wow. Hold on your hand, let me see. Guys, she is 13. You're gonna live forever young.
You're picking on me, man.
Man.
Wizard son.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But our sister 18.
And full blown chapter?
Full blown she have it, and if you see her, she
Not the one way. The one way I talk about now?
Alia.
So whenever you have full blown sickle cell, it make you still young.
Them shrink.
Them shrink. You're gonna look young forever. So imagine when you're 60, 70, you're gonna look like a little girl.
From when she eat the right thing.
From eating the right thing, right?
And leave alcohol and them some of them. Because like the sister now we don't know. She know alcohol she a drink and away in them.
Wow.
So she just work out with me say. Make sure we're for him there, you understand?
Yeah.
The best thing that.
So guys, so this is Princess. It's been a while we haven't been around here, you know, and so we have a lot of new viewers on the program, you know, we have a lot of new viewers on the program. So this is Princess and that's her brother Prince, the one that with the cataract on his eye, you know. We used to come around here to help them out. So it's been a while I haven't been around here, and this is her daughter, Faith, you know, which is she's born she have the full blow of the sickle cell, and also she have a bit of cancer as well too, which is it's not fully gone. So I'm trying to eliminate a lot of stuff that she eat to try to minimize it. So she have the cancer and also she have the sickle cell, you know, and she's 13, right? And you couldn't believe that she's 13, you know. She is 13, like wow. Trust me, I was surprised. I'm very young. So one of our donors sent a donation for Faith, you know. So Faith, I got the money for you, you know, Faith, you know. Yeah, Faith can't believe she had to she got about 8, 9, you know. 8 and high school was school? Cranberry. So you're the smallest one in school, right? Of course, you're the smallest one in school. Wow. Yeah, so this is 7,500 your Princess for Faith. So you can.
You forgot like your money is a big girl.
A big girl, yeah. So you can thank Queen. Her name is Queen from the USA.
Thank you, Queen, and I'm very thankful for what you gave me.
Okay, and she's Shanet's friend as well too.
Yeah.
Shanet from 2nd Street. This is her friend as well. The father for the year daughter. This is our best friend right here, Faith and Shanet. Imagine two of them link up. They're my cousin. You can't say.
Yeah, because from your father, stepfather.
Okay.
So you can also thank Queen.
Thank you, Queen, for what you have done. I will well appreciate it and I'm grateful for it. Thank you very much.
Alright then, blessings. So you know the thing goes, Princess, we catch up, you know, it's been a while, so you will see me back again because we're gonna literally be back in Trenchtown. I know I was on the outskirts doing some work and things, so we're gonna be in, you know? Alright then, take care. Faith, bye-bye. Take care. Prince, I gotta tell the baby mother, yeah? I tell baby, don't worry yourself.
Leave. One pizza, now. Now one pizza.
Then what?
Pizza.
Pizza?
No, D.
Oh, slippers.
What size in there?
Gino. What size that? Oh, stand up. Hey, leave them.
What that, lizard?
Lizard in cage.
Good. That's very good.
Cat. Leave the lizard. Look. Take him up and gun. Yeah. Alright then, Prince. What size are we here? 9. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna try to get the slippers for you, okay? Yeah. Size 9.
And a ring.
And a what?
And a ring.
A ring? You want a ring on your finger? Yeah. Are you going to engage with somebody? Are you want to feel? Oh, you're married to Chantel? Boy, so we must tell baby say day is over?
Yeah.
Tell us it's over.
Yeah, and tell anytime you sit down, make them pin up, make somebody pin him come.
Bring him come. Alright then, no worry then. Okay, big man? Yeah. Alright then, take care. Alright. Princess? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, I couldn't believe that Fiat is 13. Jacks, we are what? Oh, yeah. Yeah. I never know. I didn't know like when you have sickle cell, like literally like it makes you that look that so young, like a child. Because she's 13 and guys, and she also have the cancer also, you know. So the mom say his day is not gone fully, but them eliminate meat, you know, from our diet and all of those stuff, you know. Good man. So they eliminate any meat from our diet. Same thing they tell them in the school as well too. You know, so wow, I didn't know that. 13. So I got a donation for Damari as well too. So I'm gonna head over there right now. Over by Damari. Yes, so stay tuned now, watch what I go. One Brazil. One Brazil.
Me not come back.
No.
Come back.
Okay, you why? But don't know I got hype up already.
So you did what we was.
Well, me not bring Brazil.
What?
Me not bring Brazil.
Yes, I'm not too young. You not bring Brazil.
No, I remember somebody come watch the match when it was with the draw, you know. Remember I come watch the match when it not draw.
You want to come watch it when you are draw.
No, but I never know if you're not going to win because you know the draw already, so.
When you come, 2 times we win and you not come.
Now things get serious kind of knockout stage now, so you will see my face. So make sure you prepare for crying. Hey.
You man, get it man. You see all them?
Germany lose?
Yeah, 2-1 them get. Yeah man,
them gone through same yesterday.
But you know when me glad for Akeynote, when me glad for them get them lose. Like some man to say the Germany in my immortal.
Damari
lose too. Master play a game.
Yeah, play a game. You say good for roll through. I hear your son in there. Throwing a backlit out. Oh. Play a game union in here. Active. The game man them. I put on one shirt in. One shirt. Yeah, your son in there backlit out. Wanna play football?
No,
eh?
Call of Duty.
Oh, Call of. Oh. Right, Call of Duty. Remember I used to run through this game like nothing. Modern Warfare. Nobody used to buy. Hey, we used to buy still. Nah. But it's like once you stop, you can't go back.
Can't go back.
You all remember?
Yeah. I see them when they're going to play a game.
Yeah.
I see my control kind of messed up when I can play.
Come on, stop playing things from PS3. And now them there 5. So imagine me they're 2 behind. And it's a 4. What go on? How's everything? Come on here, so you're too far. Come on. Run around, or you can stand up right there. Stage clear, very far away. So, Tamari, everything is everything, right? So, I'm not that too loud. Yeah, back it off a little bit. What you call him, Blade? You give him your name, Blade. It's not Blade, you name.
They call him I love calling him.
Okay, so Blade, I call Blade.
Blade.
And call him Blade. So one a Blade and one a Blade. One a Damari and Damali. Yeah, what a way on a rhyme. You see me? I'm like that still like father and son band, you see me? I'm like a continue and see me. So we asked for the laptop the other day. And also for the school fee. The guy they contact me about that. They send him a name. So I don't hear anything back as yet. You know, so in the same they're gonna deal with it. And plus we have 2 persons so far who say them have a laptop, another person them want to do it. So we have to try and see who's going to send it first, because we don't want everybody try to do it and it not work out how it's supposed to. You know. But there's one already that's there. But the lady say it will reach Jamaica in the end of July. So into August you can get that. You know, because she already said she have it already, a brand new one. And the same guy say I'm gonna get one. So I'm gonna say which one can reach first. So anyone reach first, they will make them know. But we don't want to tell the world them to send it one, and then you end up 3 laptops come, which is it never make no sense. You know. I know, but I never want to be confused like that. You know, so I try to tell them to somebody that do something if it don't work out. Because the greatest thing I try to make it get it before school time. You know, so anyway, take it, we try to make it get it before that. And also the school fee as well too. The same guy they say taking names them and pay the school fee. Have other people say them want help out with the school fee as well too. But just because the guy said I'm gonna do something and wait, give him a little time and then contact him if anything not pull through yet, then I move on to the next. You know, so there's options there. Right, so yes there, young one also. So you're here now? How you feel now? They feel good. Say all 100 laptops want to reach. They have to do something that's one alone you can get. So they have to just wait and see who's one. Like you watch football and transfer. A whole heap of team want a baller. You know, we can't sell him to any club yet. No, I mean I say that come like football when a lot of teams want a ball and them want, you know? Negotiate.
I want the control.
It's really weird. Give me control.
And I said, come in and say good evening, my
Good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, as I said, it's like transfer when there's open. So we have to wait to see which one I pull through first. Yeah, so that's what we are. So we have 2 donations same here. You know, with them still blessed, you know. You know, we can help out a situation at the meantime. You know, so
I really appreciate that, you know.
And if you can understand everyone that's reaching out, trying to make the effort to help out Damali, which is, it's a blessing, you know?
Yeah, everyone who try to reach out to my son, it's a blessing and I give thanks and I much appreciate it and I make a food basket into, you know? I give thanks.
Yeah, so you can also thank them as well to Damali.
Thank you for everything that you guys are doing.
And he's going to excel, so guys, I'm going to say he's in school, he's doing great. And the only thing in the short of is a laptop for the school, which is also on his book list. You know, and you know, once that on his book list, you have to care. I remember in the school, where am I going on? I'm money school. You know, when you're going to Excel, the parents, they have to have money which are maintain when they say you don't need this and I need that.
That's true, that's true.
So when I youth from the getting up or say a school like that, I don't want to say it's not going to ease upon the parents. So that's why
this a situation, you know?
Yeah, we're in this situation, so that's why you know.
Yeah, so that's why they want the laptop. You can most of them work them. Most of what they might do is test them, you have to do it on the phone. So that's why they want to say put the laptop on the book list. You know?
Okay.
Sometimes you not go to school, so then just put the work on online. So not to do it. So that's why they say you need a laptop. Mostly on the book list, the laptop.
Okay. Yes, guys, and you can see the situation with the father can do. 95 can do nothing to help himself more than not to just whenever ends can meet, something happen, you know. And that's why you know, if you know say, yo, you have to don't let your father down, you know, because you see the situation and see where you're from, Trenchtown.
I already make a proud already, you know.
Make a proud already.
You can find him pass the Excel, sir. And while he and Granny go up high school, and the teacher gave Granny a good encouragement, say, he's a boy we can do him work and do him thing, man, you see me, so. Now let me go, my glad that in focus, you see me?
Yeah. And I say it really take a lot of focus.
And to go through in a life and see what happened and his mother, you get me, I say?
Yeah.
So, we give thanks and I'm glad we're there, you see me? I'm glad I come and focus, you see me? And now pray the negative, you see me?
Yeah. Of course, because we see all that and to him if you grow up, because it's very hard, especially in a community like this, you know, when you see something and you grow up and you leave it alone, you know. And that's the case in a Trenchtown why you have so much war, because youth them grow up with revenge. You understand? So they want to do back this because this happened to them family or them friend or whatsoever. They want for revenge back, you know?
And I get this and I'm glad he not think that way, you see me?
Yes.
Sometimes I don't know where my think, because he's a boy when I really too talk enough, you know, you see me?
Yeah.
So sometimes I try to talk to him, so where my think, you get me, I say? And when people happen.
I'm really saying they're really too tall, so whenever someone is too tall, you have to wonder, what's on his brain? Where am I think about? You know, but we just open on the brain there, you're not thinking nothing negative, right? Because trust me, they might see you and feel like say, oh, that youth and serious youth, you know, you can't play with him because you lose your mother and son and lose, you know, so I don't know, where am I pray, you know? And I remember I look serious looking at him face when I look for him sometimes. See him idle and full. When I look full eye, you know, when you look for your two straight, you have to just take off your eye. Sure.
So I'm ever trying to encourage you, you get me, I say?
Yeah.
Even sometimes when I'm there and give me one bag of talking, I try my best enough to do. I'm roughing, I try to encourage you.
Yeah, that's encouraging.
Bro, just see me can't move, bro. You get me, I say, there are people can rough you, but I don't want that, bro. When I talk to you, just listen to me, bro. I'm not show you the wrong thing, we are trying to guide up on the right way. You get me, I say, you know? So that me I try to show him. So sometimes I like when I'm there around me, you know. You see me? And see the game, as I say, the game is a big part of keeping me on, you know. As long as we have the game, I'm not keen, the man ain't go nowhere, I'm not keen.
It's a little hobby, it's a joy, you know.
Man ain't go nowhere. Sometimes I can go and a doctor.
See
leave him in here. Now gonna just see them all day a play game. Long as him have food to eat and them.
And it's not affecting book work as well too.
When he come to him book work now, I make him play no game. Just tell him, bro, focus on your book, study, you know. When you don't do them things there, you get have all appetite to play because the game now run you. You get me? The game there, just focus on your book work and do the right thing there.
That's true. So remember, no, please always listen to daddy. Yeah? I remember, you know, we in the street. So we are always out there. So we are always see what going and keep an eye on the same way. You might feel not approach you, but we always see. You see me? So don't feel like say you're out there alone. We out there. Because you're in the program, so everybody know you. You understand? So please remember, always listen to daddy. Yeah? Grow up. Don't follow your friend them neither, you know. Because you might have one or two friends when you listen to them parents, which is that not good. So don't be like them, because we know so you have kids your age in this generation not listening to them parents. So you don't become that one day. you are gonna become a difference. You understand? And your story are gonna bring you far in life. Yeah? Let's get to see look at man. Yeah? But yeah. But that's nothing about, you know what, that I focus where him have. You see me? And that's good as well to give him a focus whenever you talk to him. He might look right in your eye and I pay attention to what you say. And I like some kids when you talk to them, they might look left, they might look right, they might look down. Yeah, they might look right at you, at hear everything. That's what a police will do, you know, or a soldier. Them looking in your eye, even the judge, you know. Yeah, even a judge, them look straight by you to see if you get nervous, if you shake and anything at all. So that's something good we have. So if in the future, if you want to become a judge or you want to become a police, that work. So you know when I'm going to tell a lie, right? Yeah. A doctor. And that good, because a doctor give you eye contact as well too. You see me? So you're going to need something where you always have a focus on the person where you talk to. And that can be a result. You know, so it's going to do the right thing. So that matters. So here, so we have 2 donations here. You know, we have one from Magic as well too, from Miami, $7,000. You know, you and your son. So that's Magic.
Magic from New York.
From Miami.
Magic from Miami. Give thanks and much love. And I make a food basket empty. And I very appreciate it. We have me and my son, you know?
Yeah. So you can thank Magic as well too.
Thank you, Magic, for the donation. For the donation. You make a full basket of it.
Alright. So Damara, we have another one as well too from Queen from the USA, $15,000 as well to help out with your son. Queen from USA.
Queen from USA, much love and I very, very appreciate it. I give thanks and I make a food basket empty. Off behalf of me and my son, you know?
So the person name, one known as Queen, so that's Tom Queen and America.
Thank you, Queen, for the donation. Make a food basket empty.
Alright, yes, Damara. So I'm say we're gonna keep you posted. School fee is gonna be taken care of, you know, but we don't say who first gonna deal with, and laptop will definitely be here soon and soon, so that can happen, right? So I'm the book list. I want to wear my pen book list.
You know, same Granny give me when she come later from town, I'm gonna try when she send the book list come give me. And one day she for send it come give me and she never can send it to me. But she mostly just ask about the laptop. Like if she really explain about the laptop, but she still lost something on the book list for buy, but she thinks she have to send it to me or not. So when she come from town later, I'm gonna take member then I'm go over. Tell her to give me. He bring me book this morning.
Yeah.
So I can see what they're on, so I can just take a picture.
Yeah.
So you know, so when you come, you can show you.
Yeah. So they come, you can show it next time. Right? So go on to the right thing. Big up, yeah? Remember, stay focused. Come on. Yeah. Yes, guys, so let me say that's Damari and the son, and trust me, yeah, that little boy, yeah, we literally here have to be the person that try to guide him, because saying it over and over, the situation, the trauma that he's been through, like literally, see, more time I don't even like to speak about it, especially in front of him, because what he's been through when he was 7? Yeah, when he was 7, when he saw one time his mom was being gunned down, you know, his mom died literally in front of him, you know, they shoot up his mom and shoot up the dad, you know, which is the father survived, you know, he did survive, and he was there as a little boy and witnessed all of that, you know, and trust me, and here in Trenchtown, it's very hard for a kid to go through something like that and don't do anything at all growing up. You know, them always care with some type of vengeance, want to take back revenge for them parents. Because it's been hard for anyone to try to live it down, knowing that, oh, I want to do about this, I want to do about that, because a boy that killed my mother and a boy that shot up my father and a film friend and a film family and rare. You see me? And this little man literally I try to live past it. You know, the father himself, I try to make him focus on that. And it's very hard, you know, and if we can do our best to try and also, at least make him stay in school and focus on his direction. And him still a good at school because he passed for Excelsior, you understand? So he's in Excelsior now, you know, Excelsior is a school where it takes money, you know, and for the parents now, the mom is not here and the father is in this situation. Like, there's so much where the father can do. So it's like it takes a village for real, somebody like him. So it takes us now to help guide him on his journey, you know, and we'll just ask you guys to continue, you know, let's guide him, you know. He's one of them that need to be guided, trust me, because it's not like him went to some therapist, you know, to get mentor for what he's been through, none of that. He just grew up naturally seeing me and that's a wallet. Because sometimes even when me I talk to him, the way look boy I look upon you have to wonder if I pray. Yeah, like my mates, because sometimes I have a serious look when you speak to me, you can see it in my eyes, and I have a straight look, so I look straight in your face. You know, like sometimes you worry yourself, you know, where you think about, because look boy I look upon you, sometimes you have to wonder where you get that look there from. Yeah, go on, yeah, and them eyes full and everything, you have to pull it in. You have to wonder where you get that look there from. So you have to keep him focused because the look where I'm out there sometimes I'm like, it's not normal, you know, trust me. So you have to keep him focused and keep him on that journey there, because otherwise, hey, we don't want him to go down the wrong line there. You know, because the look where I'm out there can just tell say something there, but I'm try to stay focused. I tell you. So we have to just keep him on that, please. I tell you. We are going to cross. We are going to go back. So yes guys, so anyway thing goes, so blessed Lord. So remember, you know, this Sunday, stay tuned, you know, for the Cranberry house opening. I'm say you guys leave a time, the best time you think you want to see the video. Between what time and what time is suitable. When you're done cooking the rice and peas or whatsoever, you're cooking, you're frying the fish, you're frying the chicken, and everybody sit down Sunday matinee. So this one is a Sunday matinee. You know, so just watch you are going this Sunday. Cranberry and family house opening. Don't miss. You know, not even election no big like this. Not even election no big like this at all, guys. And everything else. So bless and love. Peace.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.